find a drug that can treat that cancer. Is that a fair theory?
Yes, I think that's a fair theory. But to say I can throw a tumor into a gizmo, and that gizmo will tell me the answer in a few minutes, and everything will flow from that. I don't think we'll be now. I don't think we'll be there next year. I think there's just too much hard, complex science that has to be done before this is state of the art. But it's a very cool idea for the future.
The vast majority of mutations are actually not. To figure out which mutations are dangerous, so Sean is going back in time.